so windy today, so my audio is probably... I would like you guys to try and guess what my favorite color is. I'll give you a second. Well, hello, like minds of the internets. I come to you from Donner Peak, or Donner Summit. Donner Peak is actually right there. We have the Donner Bridge somewhere way down there. And then the world famous Star Wall right back there. Very difficult climbing wall. I will not be doing any of that because today I am exhausted. I had a 3 a.m. wake up call for Uber and basically went straight all the way till 1 o'clock. And now I decided to come out here and explore the vast lands of Tahoe with you. We've all been here before. Luckily, if I get lost, I am wearing my Smurf outfit today, so I'll be very visible. Not sure if the audio is gonna come in because it's so windy, but boy, look at this view. It's scary to turn my back to it, but there's like this chute right here. This is a big drop. So as I've been basically walking every day, it's pretty incredible how I think I'm still gaining like quite a bit of fitness just from walking. You know, granted the elevation, the snowshoes add some weight for my legs going uphill, but I'm surprised, like starting to feel good cardio wise. And it's something that I can do like every day. When I was running a lot, I couldn't really run all that much because I just get injured. I just want you to take a look at that. Woo! We've dropped down a little bit, but it's still high. See Donner Pass Road a little bit, Donner Peak. And what's cool is I was just up there looking at this outcropping that kind of just comes right down the side of the mountain. It's just a drop on each side of this peninsula. It's just like 100-foot drop, 100-foot drop on the other side. So since I've been over here on the north side of Donner, peak, I'm gonna go over to the south side, drop down this valley, and then climb up to that peak right over here. It's gonna be in the shadows down there going back up. Maybe not the best content, but it's just like a challenge that I'm gonna try and give myself today. Have a bit of a longer day on tired legs and just see how I do. Look at this cliff wall also. Every time I come out here, you probably get sick of it. I'm in awe. I'm just like, oh, it's such a cool, special place. It's so magical. Just can't really get enough of the mountains, really. I kind of also just wanted to go down this chute. This looks cool to go down. So that's part of it too. So that peninsula is where I just was over there. And then dropped down this chute. And now I'm climbing up this side of the wall. I just gotta get up there and then drop down to the road, then over to the other side of the mountains. The snow is kind of like ice, so it's really nice and grippy for the snowshoes. I haven't really had it like this before, but I think because it's getting colder again and the wind is like freezing and all over on top. This will be the next challenge to get through. One of these chutes, I always take the one through the tunnel though. And then up, straight up from there, Donner Peak. It's been a good amount of climbing so far up and down. But now the real climb begins. I won't be doing this again. That was freaky. I don't know if you can see the angle, but it's a vertical climb. Luckily from here on it's all pretty tame. Today feels like a real expedition type of hike. It's cold, windy, the snow is really firm, and I've gone a long ways. If you look way over there, that's where I was. There's like a peninsula way out there. That's where we were, where it just dropped off. And then above those top peaks before. Kind of doing two big peaks today. And what's crazy is I was thinking I would just like walk along the river today and have like a super easy short video. So much for that. If you're new to the channel, this is a good chance to hit that subscribe button because I've been working really hard on these videos and I would like to get to 1,700 subscribers at some point. That would be nice. Alright, let's get out of the wind. Last little push to the top. Easy, this is no problem. Woo! This slope looks a little different than it's been. A little bit smoother from all the wind blasting the snow. I love this hike, this side of the mountain. It makes me feel a lot more hardcore than I really am. I mean, this is basically a 90-degree vertical wall, it looks like, up there. So it's probably more extreme than me. I don't know, it makes me feel cool, so let's go for it. Well, this was a big day of climbing. I'm at the top of Donner Peak, but once you get across this rock wall, like on the edge, it is just way too windy to talk. I don't think the microphone's gonna pick up anything. We're gonna go just a little bit higher, get the view, and then we're heading back down. All right, now just heading back down. Successful day. I don't think I've done something this big before, at least with the total elevation gain. I'm just doing basically all of Donish Summit up here. Probably one of the most beautiful places that I've ever been. I mean, I haven't really gotten around a lot. So there's that part. But the car is just way down there, kind of over a peak and then down. So easy. That was a bit of a doozy. Not really a big deal here because you're not going to slide off of anything. So, still a safety zone. Whoa, for sliding. Just a tiny bit more. Right down there. Home stretch. And for those of you still around, I'd just like to say thank you for watching all the way to the end. And I hope to see you tomorrow. Maybe I'll do an easy day tomorrow. Just like a relaxing hike, walk along the Truckee River. Nothing crazy. But I keep telling myself that. It never seems to happen. But these little mini adventures, they're a good time. And I feel like it's an adventure that anyone could do. You know, you just maybe a little uncomfortable, maybe a little cold. But I think anyone can get out here and do these hikes or snowshoe walks. Maybe it takes a little bit longer, maybe you're faster. Doesn't matter. I'd also just like to say, if you're looking to get out there, I've been wearing this brand Orthobox basically every day, and I'm not sponsored. Bought all this stuff with my own money, but this stuff wears really well. Had it for over 4 years, and it's highly mobile, lightweight, and I was just super stoked that this lightweight jacket, it's like a wool blend, kept me plenty warm throughout all the blasting wind. And let me tell you, the wind was just ripping through the mountains today. But I stayed warm and not overheating, but not cold. So I was impressed, and so I figured I would mention something. Alrighty, with that, thank you for watching. Thanks for listening to my blabber, and I'll see you in the next one.